Transferring files between iPhone and Mac is a common need, whether it's photos, documents, or media. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 easy ways to move files between your iPhone and MacBook. Let's get started. Way 1. Transfer data between iPhone and Mac via USB cable only. Connect your iPhone to your Mac with the cable and open Finder. Select your iPhone under Locations and go to Files. Click the arrow to expand an app folder. Drag files to your Mac to copy, or drop files into an app to send to iPhone. Way 2. Transfer files between iPhone and Mac via Assistant for iOS. Fast, flexible, and secure Mobikin Assistant for iOS, Mac, and Windows makes file transfer and iOS management easy. It supports all iOS devices and handles various data types with ease. Step 1. After downloading and installing the product on your Mac, establish a connection between your iPhone and Mac using a USB cable. Then launch the program and click Trust on your iPhone to authorize this computer. Once completed, the interface below will appear on your Mac. Step 2. On the left side menu, you will find all the different file types. Simply select the data types you're to copy, and all the specific items on your iPhone will be displayed. Preview the stuff, and choose what you want to transfer to your Mac. Step 3. Once selected, click the Export button in the top menu. This action will prompt a path selection dialog to appear. Choose a destination on your Mac where you wish the files to be transferred, and the transfer from your iPhone to your Mac will commence immediately. Fast, flexible, and secure Mobikin Assistant for iOS, Mac, and Windows makes file transfer and iOS management easy. It supports all iOS devices and handles various data types with ease. Way 3. Share files between iPhone and Mac by AirDrop. On Mac, Finder, go AirDrop. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and set visibility. On iPhone, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop in Control Center. Tap Share AirDrop, select your Mac. To transfer files from your Mac to your iPhone, you can right-click on the file you want to share on your Mac. In the menu that appears, hover over Share and click on AirDrop. Select the recipient iPhone from the list of available devices. Click Done to initiate the file transfer. Way 4. Transfer files between iPhone and Mac with iCloud Drive. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud Drive. Use the Files app to move files to iCloud Drive. On Mac, visit iCloud.com, log in, and open iCloud Drive to access files. To copy files from Mac to iPhone, you can. On Mac, select File Share via AirDrop or iCloud link. On iPhone, open Files app, find it under AirDrop or use the link, then save it. Way 5. Send file from iPhone to Mac, or vice versa via iTunes file sharing. Connect iPhone to Mac via USB and open iTunes. Click the device icon File Sharing, select an app, choose a file, click Save to, and pick a location to transfer. To transfer files from your Mac to your iPhone, you can click Add in iTunes. Select the file you want to transfer from your Mac. Click Add to initiate the file transfer. Way 6. Transfer files between iPhone and Mac using Dropbox. Create and sign into Dropbox. Download the app. Log in. Tap Plus to upload files. Choose Files. Tap Next. And Upload. Access files on your Mac. Way 7. Send files from Mac to iPhone and back by email. Select the file, tap Share, and choose Mail, compose, and send the email. On Mac, download the attachments. To transfer to iPhone, email files to yourself. Open the email on iPhone and download.